The Urban League was founded to help African Americans make the transition from rural life to urban life.
There was a multiracial group focusing on employment, housing, economic disparity, literacy, and violence against African Americans.
The Urban League has provided opportunity for individuals and families. It has prepared people to take full advantage of those opportunities.
We still live in a time where people are struggling across all facets of our community, so our work today is important as it has ever been.
There are more people in poverty, more uneducated, more people in the criminal justice system. And now we're not only serving African Americans, but all groups, Hispanics and Caucasians who have moved from rural areas into the suburbs and the inner cities.
There are still people who are in dire need, people who are still jobless or need job training. There are still young people who need youth development, young people who could benefit from the scholarships that the Urban League offers.
There has to be a refocus on the economy and bringing folks to that level of economic wealth. That's the next frontier of the civil rights movement.
We have to keep pace with the new economy just like everybody else. So where we may have provided typing training back years ago, well, now it should be green jobs and healthcare jobs so we can help the community plug in the mainstream.
We fought really hard to get a seat at the table. Now we have to work extra hard to get what's due us off of the table.
We focus on what is needed, what is necessary, not as someone giving us a handout, but quite honestly, as our history says, giving us a hand up.
In order for us to be more successful, we're going to have a deeper dive into the policy and the advocacy debate.
This is my way of giving back to my community through the Urban League, and especially the Urban League Guild.
We see ourselves as ambassadors, reaching out to people, trying to help people in whatever the situation is.
The Urban League can offer hope, inspiration, and the opportunity to literally empower yourself and change your life.
If we are to empower our community to be able to progress, we must step up and take on that responsibility.
We are here to serve and not to be served, and I'm glad I'm empowered to do that.
I'm empowered to be a role model.
I am empowered to make a difference in my community.
I am empowered.
I am an African American female with a purpose.
I am empowered.
I have been given a set of gifts and talents that I believe that I can change the world.
I am the next generation of the civil rights movement.
I am empowered.
Let's take this message of economic empowerment to millions of people across this nation. I am empowered. Are you?
I'm empowered.
I am empowered.
I'm empowered. I am empowered.
We were formed in 1968, and we have improved our community, we've changed lives, and we are now in the business of empowerment. Empowerment for our kids in education, empowerment for adults who need to find stable employment and build healthy and safe homes.
My name is Colbert Prosper. I'm originally from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. I reside in Knoxville, Tennessee. I'm a grad student at UT, and I am at the National Conference, 100 years. It has been phenomenal. It's been mind-blowing. I don't have any words to describe what has actually happened. The energy, the vibe, the people, and the passion that people have here. I'm ready to go back to work. It motivated me. I'm revitalized. I can run back to Knoxville right now. I really can. It's a great organization. It's a great organization. Barack Obama, just student leaders, young professionals, corporate leaders, just all here. You're rubbing elbows with everybody and having the same goal, to empower other people. I'm Cole Prosper, and I am empowered.
I am empowered.
I am empowered. I am empowered.
I'm empowered. I am empowered.
I am empowered.
I am empowered.
I am empowered. I am empowered. I am empowered.
I am empowered.
I am empowered.
I am empowered. I am an urban leaguer.
I am empowered, and at the Knoxville Area Urban League, we are in the business of empowerment.